out of Supreme Court this afternoon, where a one-man committee to oversee steps to tackle stubble burning was suspended by the Supreme Court today, as the centre said it would create a permanent body through legislation to deal with the annual air pollution problem in Delhi and its surrounding areas. Now, on October 16, the Supreme Court had appointed retired Justice Madan Lokur to monitor stubble burning in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, a key source of the pollution every winter. At the time, the court had declined to accept the centre's request to reconsider the appointment. Today, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who was representing the government, told the court that the new legislation will be brought within 3 or 4 days and asked the court to suspend the Lokur committee. Calling it a welcome step, the Chief Justice later said that, and I quote him now, "This is something the government should have acted on." Sunil Prabhu joining us for more on this. Sunil, this seems like quite a desperate measure. The centre has suddenly decided that they will have a legislation in just about 3 to 4 days.
Well, they believe, and I've just spoken to top ministry officials and those in the Environment Ministry who will move this legislation. We must put it in perspective. There's already an Environment Protection Controlling Authority which was set up by the Supreme Court. This committee was mandated under the environmental protection rules. So now this body will be replaced with a permanent body. There will be a legislation in this regard to give effect, and just not a Supreme Court ruling in this perspective. So the Chief Justice has said very well, and is looking forward to this committee and this body that is going to be set up. How this, or whether it will be done through an ordinance, how do they plan to set it up? These are things that we'll have to wait and watch. But nevertheless, the fact is that the government has decided to set up this committee and has been able to keep in abeyance Justice Lokur committee that had been set up by the Supreme Court. Those details of that legislation from the Environment Ministry, as I said, is going to be for not only Delhi but all the adjoining areas to ensure that citizens in the capital region are able to breathe properly and not choke, as the Chief Justice of India said.
Right. And Sunil, any idea who all are going to be part of this government panel? What exactly do they have in store? This is a very short period, like I said, for the government to come up with a quick response.
Oh, the government is very, very capable of coming out with a response. Please remember, this is not an issue that has just happened today, Sonal. It has been a consistent and a continuous problem for the citizens of Delhi. The Environment Ministry has been handling this for the last 4 to 5 years, since people have been, and when the Supreme Court has been very active about this entire matter. So hopefully they will set up a full comprehensive body and ensure that the people and a holistic approach is taken so as to give a permanent solution and not this recurring every year ahead of the festive season, especially during the October and November period when we see pollution at its highest.